Here's another one of those things I found the Stairmasters teaching on the internet and thought that I would kind of bring it to your attention. And that's using larger hangers for your stair stringer connection to an upper landing, floor, or even a ledger like we have here. Now, this is the way that I connected stair stringers for years. I toe-nailed or angle-nailed 16D nails into the side of the stair stringer. And I would usually put between 3 or 4 on each side. And I'm guessing I used this to connect more than 5,000 stair stringers to a ledger, a floor, or a landing. And believe it or not, I've never had to make a repair on a stair stringer that was connected like this. But feel free to let us know if you have, or email me some pictures of those connections that failed. Next up, let's take a look at the most currently available construction detail for attaching stair stringers to a ledger, floor, or landing with a hanger. And I don't really know how much better one connection is going to be over the other, except for the fact that maybe the manufacturers of these products get to sell more of them. But that's not the reason why I made the video. This is, and even though I don't see it very often, I do see it every once in a while. And that's the fact that some of you are using larger hangers. And I get it, the toenail connection doesn't seem to be as good as using a floor joist hanger. And if the floor joist hanger is better than toenailing, then what would be the next best thing? To use a larger hanger. And I'm not about to suggest you're ever going to have a problem with cutting 2 or 3 inches out of the bottom of a stair stringer, unless it looks something like this. And this is kind of what I'm talking about, and came across a few times on the internet. And really what we have here is an extremely weak connection. And to solve this problem, all we need to do is have a longer ledger and then maybe use the nailing method or the smaller hanger. And I'm not about to suggest a larger hanger might not be the best option on longer stair stringers that might be heavier, something like a 4x12 or larger. However, for a notched or unnotched stringer that's going to be less than 10 feet long, you're probably not going to need a heavy-duty hanger or even a hanger period to connect the upper stringers to a ledger, floor, platform, or landing.